I've been building AI for more than a decade now, and recently I have hit a brick wall. I have no new ideas.
I know exactly where to have this conversation.
Here's the thing, I've always had good new ideas. My brain has always been so hyperactive trying to solve whatever problem is in front of me. It doesn't have to be tech, it can be a restaurant that's not efficient or something that's broken that used to work really well. Let me show you what the problem is. It's this. Around the clock, 24/7, all the software engineers of the world are trying stuff and putting it online. And it clouds your judgment in a way that I didn't really notice for years until recently. Everyone is trying all sorts of stuff and giving their opinion, and if you consume a lot of it, it starts to cloud your judgment. You start to think, oh well, someone's tried this before and didn't work, or someone doesn't think this is a good idea, or something similar was tried by this other person that knows a lot more than me, and so I'm not going to even bother going down that road. That's such a toxic way to build stuff.
The thing is, I know this is temporary. It's a temporary problem that I have. When looking for new things, new ideas, new innovation, all I see is everybody else building the exact same thing. Everyone right now who's trying to build a personal assistant is building some sort of OpenClaw style replica, and there's no new ideas. Loads of amazing projects are being born. Hermes Agent, I have the code right here, is incredible. It's like a more mature version of OpenClaw. You've got things like OpenCode and Pi, which are open source alternatives to Claude Code. These are amazing projects, but all of them use LLMs in a really similar way under the hood. But for me, there's just something missing, and I want to get back to having good, clear ideas, but I can't because this is clouding my judgment. This thing is clouding my judgment. Basically, every time I open this, I see a bunch of other people building cool things in the space, but they're all doing it the same way, and it's messing with this. If you are trying to build something that is new, something that never existed before or does something differently, occasionally you've got to get off of YouTube and Twitter, and you've got to approach things from a point of complete naivety, complete ignorance. You don't know anything. Start afresh. And I did that. I actually did that the other day. I started writing from scratch a brand new version of my Java system based on everything I've learned so far up to this current time. And you know what I ended up with? Now that I'm looking at the Hermes Agent source code, I realize I pretty much just replicated what everyone else had built. I got OpenAI Codex to write a system diagram, and the system diagram looks almost identical to Hermes Agent. And at first, this put me in a really bad mood for multiple days because it made me feel like, okay, my ideas, they're not special. They are not worth even pursuing. But I've had time to think about it a little bit more now, and I've decided that that was a good thing. It showed me that unless you're coming up with really new, radical ideas that are not safe, you're not going to create anything new.
So one of the solutions for this problem is to come out here, where there's nothing. There's no one. Well, in Greenwich, there's quite a few people, but it's to come out. Away from the screen, away from the constant fire hose of opinions and other people building things, and just let your mind wander. If you've got a good idea, it's still buried in your subconscious. Your brain just needs time to do the search, to think about things. Have a shower, go for a walk, just let your mind wander, and you'll come up with some good ideas, I think.
So I went back to the Jarvis project and I started pulling apart the pieces and looking at all of the things that I had built that were just from what I had seen on Twitter or in someone else's GitHub repo, and rethinking it. Does it need to be like this? And I think I've got something pretty special. I'll make a video about that soon, but I just wanted to put this message out in a video format. For those of you who are building something with AI right now, try and think outside the box. It is surprisingly hard, but if you push yourself to do it, be critical. Don't gaslight yourself into thinking your ideas are special. Approach them from first principles. See if you can build something truly new. If you agreed with this video or disagreed, I'd love to see a comment from you down below. Hit the subscribe button, go and build something neat. See ya.